Okay, now let's do the next concept. For example, if I am a customer, I purchased a refrigerator from a shop. For example, the cost price of a shop refrigerator is rupees 10,000. Although it is not coming in 10,000, but still let us assume that it's 10,000. Now I can't carry refrigerator in my car. So what I have to do, I have to book a loading taxi so that he will transport from that refrigerator from that shop to my house. Yes, so that cost will also be added. Similarly, for example, I pay 200 to the loading taxi wala, and my total cost will be now 12,000 10,200. That is called the real cost. For example, similarly, if I am a customer, I have opened the shop. Now I need the salesman. I have to pay the rent of the shop if it is not mine. I have to pay the electricity bill. Yes, salary of the salesman. Then water bill if there is a water connection there in the shop. So these are the fixed costs which will be added with the cost price, and then you will get the real cost. So these are the examples of overhead cost. Or let's take one more example, like I have a let's take a refrigerator only. I have a refrigerator, I purchased it at 10,000. It's kept in my kitchen. After some time I found that it is not working properly and I have to purchase a new one. So what we do? We repair it and then we sold it out. So that repairing cost will also added with the cost price. For example, the cost occurred for repairing that fridge is rupees 3,000. So now cost price will become 10,000. Earlier I purchased 10,000, now 3,000 more will be added. So it is 13,000. Clear? So let's do it. So before I start, that is, before we talk about anything, real cost equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. I have given all the examples of overhead expenses. Yes. Now let's do the first question based on it. So wherever we discuss about cost price, in that case, if it is written in the question about overhead expenses, so first we calculate cost price plus overhead expenses, we get real cost, and formulas will remain same. Instead of cost price, we write real cost. A shopkeeper bought fertilizers worth rupees 8,000. So cost price of fertilizers is rupees 8,000 from the city and brought it to his village. He spent 520 on transportation. So transportation here is overhead expenses, which is rupees 520. So real cost will be 8,000 plus 520 is rupees 85320. Yes. If he makes a profit of overall profit, if he makes an overall profit of 20%. Now profit percent is 20%. So how much should he sell the whole material? Now selling price has to be calculated. So 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Now here we will not write CP. Instead of write, we will write real cost, RC. So 100 plus 20 upon 100 into 8520. Now let's solve this. 120 upon 100 into 8520. Cut the zeros. 12 2s are 24, carry 2, 12 5s are 60, 62, carry 6, 12 8s are 96 and 6 1 1 2. So 11,224 is the selling price of that fertilizers. Clear? Thank you.